Are you dreaming of becoming a web designer? Well, you're not alone and you're definitely not too late to start. In today's digital world, everything is online from businesses to personal brands. And guess what? Every single one of those websites was built by someone just like you, someone who wants a dream, took the first step and made it happen. Whether you're a total beginner or someone who's just curious about tech, our web design and training course is the perfect starting point for you. You'll learn how to create modern, responsive websites, meaning they look great on phones, tablets, and desktops. You'll master the tools that real professionals use every day, like HTML, the structure of your website, CSS, the design and layout, JavaScript to bring your site to life, Bootstrap for a quick mobile-friendly design, and WordPress, the most popular website platform in the world. And the best part, you don't need any experience. We'll guide you from zero to confident step by step. This course isn't just about learning how to code, it's about opening doors to freelance opportunities, remote work, a new career path, or even your own online business. So if you ever said, I want to work online or I want to learn how to create a website, this is your sign to take action. Let's turn your passion into a profession. Enroll now and take the first step toward your tech career. We're excited to see you grow and we'll be with you every step of the way. So message us now on our WhatsApp number at +965-9930-2850 or at +965-6076-7714, or you can also visit our office here at Kuwait City, Maliban Summit Tower, 8th floor. This is Ms. Mumina with ICSA, your partner in success.